We're 1,000 miles from comfort. We have traveled land and sea, but as long as you are with me, there's no place I'd rather be. I would away forever, exalted in the sea, as long as I am with you.
Your valiant efforts today with your Tupperware boxes, beautiful singing and playing instruments will help raise money for this machine. It will touch the lives of so many families, patients and unborn children who will be our future generation.
If you gave me a chance, I would take it.